Abdul has just turned 7, and he's about to discover what it takes to become a man. Today is his circumcision. He's not entirely sure how it's going to happen, but he knows it's going to hurt. By the time Victor's ready to do the procedure, Abdul is at his wit's end. A cut, and the deed is done. Through it all, Abdul never made a sound. They all thank Allah, and then the neighborhood women congratulate both father and son. The young boys watch and dream of the day when they too will become men. All too soon the women have to go home and cook for their own families, and Abdul is left to brave it out alone.